Now we will know about the early cave painting. Cave paintings are paintings on cave walls and ceilings. These paintings were made in prehistoric period. The material used by them is the painting were naturally occurring. Pigments such as red, iron oxide or black manganese. So the animals were drawn with attention to detail, but the people were visualistic figures. So cave painting in India are found in the Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. The Bhimbetka caves in Madhya Pradesh have over 500 paintings of animals hunting scenes, women and children. So now change in climate. Due to melting of the ice sheets, a shift came in the climate about 12,000 years ago. It begins to be relatively warm, which led to the development of grassland in many regions. Therefore, animals who depended on grass increased the number, like antelope, deer, sheep, cattle, goat, etc. So now come to the next page. So now children, we will know about the towards settled life. So they how they were towards the settled life. So firstly farmers. Over time farmers learned which seeds produce the most crops in the areas where they lived. The gradual shift from the hunter gatherers to farmers is one of the most important advances in human development. The change in the climate meant that early humans could move into new areas due to the rise of temperature and the growing seasons becomes longer. This led to the transformation of hunter gatherers to farmers and herders. Okay, so now here again you can see the picture of India's map. So come to the next page. In this page we will know about the houses. But at Burj home in Kashmir, people used stone tools to dig circular pits. Their pits were wide at the base and narrow towards the top. They may have provided shelter in cold weather. Cooking huts were found both inside and outside the huts, suggesting that people would have cooked food either indoors or outdoors depending on the weather. A scroll and pieces of pottery have been found in these pits. Pottery. What is a pottery? With the advent agriculture, people were required to store their food grains as well as to cooking, arrange the drinking water and the eating are a finished product. That is why pottery first appeared in the Neolithic age. There are evidences of weaving cloth. They also used cotton and other material. Now children, archaeological site. Mehergarh. This is the important name of that time. Mehergarh is a large Neolithic site located at the foot of the Bulan Pass in modern day Pakistan. It is the earliest known Neolithic sites with early evidence of farming, herding, and metallurgy. Archaeologists have unearthed animal bones of sheep, goat, deer, pig, and cattle. Shared grains and wheat indicate that they were grown here. Houses found here are square to or rectangular in shape. The houses are divided into four more rooms where some would have been used as storage. Archaeologists have also found several burial site here. Due to the settlement of the early farmers and herders burial there, the bit becomes the major concerns. There are evidence of the burial which contain goats burial with the dead. So now come to the next point. Here you can see some pictures of